motorcycle meetup is just around the corner. But first, watch as Sky Champion takes on chaotic traffic and a race against time to get to Cafe 27. Will he make it in time for the action-packed stunts, blazing fast bikes, and Miami's unforgettable vibes? Stay tuned and ride with us to the wildest motorcycle experience of 2025 on POWAMOTO.
Motorcycle riding. Stunts like you've never seen before. Beautiful models.
You fake YouTubers, it's on.
And I get
We are headed to the motorcycle meetup on POWAMOTO. I'll see you guys there.
We are at the motorcycle meetup on POWAMOTO. Bring your bike to Miami and let's go. Oh shit! Oh shit! You're next. I want to race you. The motorcycle meetup is here in January 2025, baby, and we outside with it. Come on, let's go, let's go. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Hey guys, and thanks for tuning in. Welcome to the heart of the motorcycle scene. This is where the riders from all over the South Florida region show off their skills, speed, and style. Check out these jaw-dropping bikes, from the roaring Suzuki Hayabusas to the sleek Kawasaki H2s. Every ride here is built for speed and adrenaline. Feel the rush as these riders fly by, pushing the limits of power, precision. The stunts are next level, wheelies and more, showcasing the true artistry of Miami's motorcycle team. This is more than just a meetup, guys. It's a celebration of bike life, the community, and the passion that makes Miami the ultimate rider's destination. Keep watching and don't forget to hit the subscribe to ride with us all year long.
Okay, let me check. Oh.
The countdown to January 2025 Motorcycle Meetup has officially begun. Get ready to ride, race, and connect with POWAMOTO family right here in South Florida. For epic bikes to unforgettable vibes, this is the event you don't want to miss. Stay tuned for updates, exclusive previews, and everything you need to know about the biggest motorcycle meetup of the year. Subscribe to POWAMOTO today and join the ride. We'll see you in January 2025. Until then, keep the throttle open, the passion alive, ride safe, and we'll catch you on the next episode.
The carbon fiber setup better, Jimbo. What do you think about the carbon fiber tree hugger? Rear hugger with a full titanium. I like the carbon fiber exposed. What do you think? Which one you like better? That's badass. It is, ain't it? She's badass, bro. Hey, listen, man. I'm YouTube motovlogger POWAMOTO, and I couldn't help but drive by and say, shit, man, my shit's messed up a lot. I got all kinds of problems. I don't got enough of this, and I got too much problems. And I said, but I don't have the problem this guy's got. So I just want to make a friend, let you know POWAMOTO's on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. That's a donation from my people.
Thanks for watching. Hit that playlist, support this channel, fam, and I'll see you on the next one. If you like this video, check out one of these two other similar videos, and thanks for subscribing. We out.